The Toyota Grand Highlander is a midsize SUV equipped with 3 rows of seating that highlights 2 main strengths: excellent fuel efficiency and Toyota's well-established reputation for reliability. While the standard Highlander model offers solid performance, it notably lacks sufficient interior space when compared to other vehicles in the midsize SUV category. To address this shortcoming, Toyota developed the Grand Highlander, a distinct model that, despite sharing part of its name with the regular Highlander, differs substantially in size and design. The Grand Highlander is larger in every measurable dimension, stretching approximately 4 inches longer than the standard Highlander. This modest increase in length translates into significantly more room for passengers and cargo, particularly enhancing the comfort and usability of the third-row seating, which is spacious enough to accommodate adult passengers with ease. Under the hood, the Grand Highlander comes standard with a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 265 horsepower. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and powers the front wheels by default, with the option to upgrade to an all-wheel drive system for improved traction and handling. In addition to this gasoline-powered version, Toyota also offers a hybrid variant of the Grand Highlander, which features different powertrain specifications and is reviewed separately. The cabin of the Grand Highlander is both roomy and aesthetically pleasing, featuring a thoughtful and attractive design. It boasts a comprehensive suite of standard equipment and safety technologies, which enhances the overall value and driving experience. With a combination of its spacious interior, advanced features, and composed driving dynamics, the Grand Highlander stands out as one of the most compelling options in the midsize crossover segment. It competes strongly against other notable SUVs such as the Kia Telluride, Mazda CX-90, and Hyundai Palisade. Its strengths and overall package have earned it a place on the prestigious Editor's Choice list for 2025. For the 2025 model year, Toyota introduced several updates to the Grand Highlander lineup. Among the most notable is the addition of a new entry-level LE trim, which provides a more affordable option for buyers. Other changes include the introduction of a removable center console in the second row for XLE trims and higher, as well as 2 new exterior paint options named Cement and Heavy Metal. Additionally, the Coastal Cream color has been discontinued and is no longer available. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander begins at $42,355 for the base LE trim and rises to $55,540 for the fully equipped Platinum version. Despite the availability of the more economical LE trim, the XLE trim is recommended for most buyers because it offers a significant upgrade in features and comfort at a reasonable price point. Moving up to the XLE includes enhancements such as synthetic leather upholstery replacing the cloth seats found in the LE, a power-operated liftgate for easier access to the cargo area, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel that adds a touch of refinement. The XLE also features heated power-adjustable front seats, the choice between second-row captain's chairs or a 3-across bench seat, and wireless phone charging capabilities, making it a well-rounded and practical option for families. When it comes to performance, the non-hybrid Grand Highlander's turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine delivers a smooth and capable driving experience. It offers adequate power for family hauling duties and daily commuting, with a transmission that shifts seamlessly through its 8 speeds. The vehicle's ride quality is well balanced, providing a comfortable and composed driving experience with light and responsive steering. While the engine emits a slightly hoarse sound during acceleration, it quiets down considerably at steady speeds, contributing to a serene cabin environment. At highway speeds of 70 miles per hour, the Grand Highlander maintains a noise level of about 67 decibels, which is impressively quiet for a vehicle of its size and class. In performance testing, the vehicle accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 7 seconds, which is a competitive time for midsize SUVs. In terms of towing capability, the Grand Highlander can haul up to 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. This towing capacity is in line with many other three-row SUVs, including the Honda Pilot, Kia Telluride, and certain configurations of the Mazda CX-90. However, it falls short when compared to more heavy-duty competitors like the Dodge Durango, which boasts a maximum towing capacity of 8,700 pounds. Fuel economy ratings for the non-hybrid Grand Highlander reach up to 21 miles per gallon in city driving and 28 miles per gallon on the highway, according to EPA estimates. Our real-world testing on a highway route driven at 75 miles per hour returned an excellent 29 miles per gallon, showcasing the vehicle's efficiency and cost-effectiveness for long-distance travel. Inside, the Grand Highlander truly earns its Grand designation by providing a notably more spacious cabin than the standard Highlander. The expanded dimensions particularly benefit the third row, which now offers enough legroom and headroom to comfortably accommodate adults, a feature not always available in midsize SUVs. The interior styling also differs from the smaller Highlander, featuring a more symmetrical and refined dashboard design that enhances the overall ambience. The XLE trim level adds several convenience features that cater to families, such as a power liftgate, heated front seats, second-row window shades for added comfort, and an abundance of USB ports and power outlets throughout the cabin to keep devices charged. Depending on seating configuration, the vehicle can accommodate up to 8 passengers with a second-row bench seat, or 7 passengers when outfitted with captain's chairs in the middle row. Thanks to the generous interior space and thoughtful design, the Grand Highlander offers a comfortable and practical environment for extended road trips and daily use alike. On the technology front, every Grand Highlander comes equipped with a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen that runs Toyota's latest software interface. Additionally, a 7-inch digital display in the instrument cluster is standard, while higher trims such as Limited and Platinum upgrade to a larger 12.3-inch fully digital gauge display. Wireless smartphone charging is included as a standard feature across all trims, and an upgraded 11-speaker JBL audio system is available for those seeking premium sound quality on Limited and Platinum models. Toyota places a strong emphasis on safety, equipping every Grand Highlander with its Safety Sense 3.0 suite of driver assistance features. This comprehensive package includes automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning combined with lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with a lane centering function, automatic high beam headlights, and a road sign recognition system. For detailed crash test results and safety ratings, consumers are encouraged to consult resources such as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. In terms of warranty and maintenance coverage, Toyota follows industry standards but adds a valuable benefit by offering 2 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance, an advantage not commonly provided by competitors. The vehicle's limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles, while the powertrain warranty extends for 5 years or 60,000 miles. The included free maintenance lasts for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, helping to reduce ownership costs and provide peace of mind.